Welcome to Technology Tuition. Today we're exploring Amazon RDS, AWS's managed relational database service that automates provisioning, patching, backups, and scaling to simplify database administration. You'll learn how RDS lets you focus on applications instead of database maintenance. Amazon RDS supports MySQL, PostgreSQL, MariaDB, Oracle, Microsoft SQL Server, and Amazon Aurora, offering a managed approach that offloads routine administrative tasks. Key features include automated daily backups with point-in-time recovery, multi-AZ deployments for high availability and automatic failover, encryption at rest and in transit, integration with IAM for access control, performance insights, and easy scaling of compute and storage resources. Amazon Aurora, compatible with MySQL and PostgreSQL, delivers enhanced performance and availability. Standard MySQL and MariaDB are ideal for web workloads. PostgreSQL excels at advanced queries and data types, and Oracle and SQL Server cater to enterprises with existing licensing and expertise. Use cases for RDS include hosting web applications, migrating legacy databases to the cloud, powering analytics and BI workloads, and provisioning development and test environments. Best practices involve selecting appropriate instance classes, enabling and testing automated backups, using multi-AZ for production, monitoring performance metrics, and enforcing security via IAM policies and security groups. Amazon RDS turns complex database management into a simple, managed service. Next, we'll cover AWS IAM. Subscribe to Technology Tuition for more expertise.